How can I best document my team's communications? Hi, this is Eliot from Workload. Make sure to subscribe to our channel to get more daily tutorials. In this video, we'll be building a workflow starting with a new channel message in Slack. Then we'll be using the details of that message in order to create a spreadsheet row in Google Sheets. All right, let's build a workflow. So we're going to start here at the workload editor. We'll give our workflow a title. This is going to be channel message to spreadsheet row. We've already highlighted this workflow in a video before, but I want to show you some updates we have to the workload editor regarding our integration with Google Sheets. So we'll start by clicking on our trigger box and picking Slack as our triggering app. You can see Slack is one of our options down here in our recent app section because I've been using it recently. If it wasn't down here, I could type Slack into our search menu. The event for this workflow is going to be new message posted to a channel. We're going to make sure we're connected to our Slack account. If you have any issues connecting to the apps we use in this workflow, check out the blog in the description of the video. The channel that I want this workflow to monitor is my test channel. And we'll test this trigger, and we have a new channel message. So we want to take all this information and add it to a spreadsheet. So we'll click continue here. If you notice that one of the nodes is red even after you've tested it, sometimes you just need to click on it again and it'll turn green. So now I can hop back down to my action step. I'm going to be using Google Sheets, which again is in my recent apps section. My event is going to be to create a spreadsheet row. With our Google apps, you want to make sure you've shared the spreadsheets that you want to use with Workload. So I'm going to use a Slack messages spreadsheet, so that's already shared. So I'm going to select that spreadsheet from the drop-down menu, Slack messages, and that's going to be sheet 1. And once I've input that information, the workload editor will already find all the different column names from your spreadsheet. And all you need to do is click on the plus sign, come over to the drop-down menu, and find the information you want to put in there. So for username, I'm going to come to user. For message, come to my menu again, and that's going to be the text. And then the time is going to be the timestamp. And whatever columns are in your spreadsheet, those will automatically pop up down here once you've selected the spreadsheet and the sheet from this top menu. Then we'll click continue, and we'll test this action. And we have a success. So I can click continue here. Can look back over in my Slack messages spreadsheet, and you can see that that message was just added with the username and the timestamp. So it looks like our workflow is set up correctly. I can make sure each of my nodes has the green dot, and then I can activate my workflow. And now every time a new message is posted to that specific channel, the details of that message will be used to create a spreadsheet row in Google Sheets. That's how you can use Workload to build a workflow that'll automatically document your channel messages. Make sure you join the Workload community by commenting on this post with any questions you might have or suggestions for future videos. You should also like this video and click here to subscribe to our channel, or click here to get more content from Workload about how to make your business practices flow more smoothly. And I'll see you next time.